Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna teach you how to do a pumpkin spice latte makeup look, and this is perfect for fall season. And right now, as you know that October is going on and it's fall, so enjoy a cup of pumpkin spice latte and let's start with the look. But before getting into the video, make sure that you like, share and subscribe to my channel. So I'm starting with my MAC Fix Plus in the shade Gold Lit all over my face. I love going in with the Fix Plus before my primer, and now I'm going in with my Maybelline Fit Me Dewy Finish Primer. This is perfect for an hydrated, dewy, glowy skin, and this instantly gives me that perfect glow and from within which I want. And this is amazing primer. One of my favorite drugstore primers are from Maybelline. And now I'm going in with this NYX Corrector Concealer palette. This is a dupe for the MAC palette, I guess so. And then I'm going in with this and this shade under the eye, wherever there is discoloration, and around my mouth area as well, to cancel out all the bluish undertones. And going in with the Morphe small buffer brush, which I love the most to blend my concealer out. This is perfect. And now I'm going in with this L'Oreal Infallible concealer, and this is in the shade Beige. This is one of my favorite concealer of all time. I haven't used it in a while, so I thought why not go in with this. And I'm applying this with my M.A.C cosmetic pizza puff, and these pizza puffs are amazing. I've never tried something like this because I always use a brush, and I think this is my go-to sponge right now. And now I'm going in with this L'Oreal Infallible Pro Glow Foundation, and this is in the shade Nude Beige 203, and applying it with the spatula technique. If you guys don't know, this is the Korean way of applying a foundation so that you get an even tone all over the face, and you use less product as well, yet you get the coverage. So it was the first time ever trying out this technique. And now I'm going in with M.A.C Cosmetics sculpting palette. This is the highlighter sculpting palette, and going in with the last three shades, and they are perfect for my skin. I'm just going to chisel out my jawline and cheekbones with it, as well as run it on the bridge of the nose as well with a tiny little nose contour brush. And this, if you don't know, this is one of my favorite nose contour brush from Morphe. Everything is going to be listed down below, so don't forget to check it out. And now I'm going in with this highlighting shade. This is basically a yellowish tone shade. This is perfect. And now I'm going in with this I Heart Revolution palette. This is their bronzer wardrobe palette, and going in with these three shades. And oh my god, you guys have to try out this bronzer palette. If you don't have it, you have to get your hands on this. This is amazing palette, and I don't know why I've been not using this. This is stunning and perfect for the pumpkin look. And now I'm going in with my usual Be Perfect Cosmetics Carnival 3 Tahiti palette, and going in with the yellow and the orange shade from it. I plan going in with something orange and yellow tone and staying with that because I don't want to use a lot of browns and all. So because I think it will be perfect for fall season as well. So I started with Stand shade and then went in with yellow, and then topping it up with Mango and Sundown, which are beautiful orange tone shades and perfect for fall season. What do you guys think about this look? Do let me know in the comments down below. Will you wear this look for this fall season? And now I'm going in with this eyeshadow topper, which is stunning. This is from Colorpop. These are the pressed glitters, and they are amazing. As you can see, I'm really happy with it. I've just applied it on the center of my eyelid, the moving eyelid, and it looks really stunning. I am enjoying it. As you can see, really happy with this look, how this eye look turned out to be. And now I'm going in with this Rimmel London eyeliner. This is in the shade brown, and then on top of that I am going in with this Morphe gel eyeliner in brown and just accentuating my eyes and just giving it a slight little wink, not a lot. There's not a lot of product on the brush, and you can see I am blending the edges as well of the liner because I need a really soft and wearable look for this season. And now I'm going in with this Lash Paradise from L'Oreal Paris and coating a nice layer of mascara all over my eyelashes, and this is an amazing mascara. And now I'm going in with this M.A.C tapered lash in number 53. These are perfect mink lashes, as you can see, and this just is like it's made for my eyes. If you have like hooded small eyes like mine, these lashes are perfect and they are really lightweight too. And now completing this whole look with this Huda Beauty liquid lipstick in the shade Hot Hippie. You can see how beautiful and lovely this color is. This is like tangerine orangish reddish orange shade, which is perfect for a fall season and especially for this look. So how do you guys think about this look? Do let me know in the comments down below, and what else you want me to create, comment down below. Any new trends going on, I'll be more than happy to create them. So thanks for watching. Bye. See you in the next video.